Today we are going to prepare bread without egg. For this we require, this is my measuring cup. With this measuring cup we take 5 glasses of maida. Then we require 1 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of cooking soda. This is called dry yeast. This yeast is easily available in the market. We require 1 tablespoon of yeast. Take this measurement cup. With this measurement cup, take half glass of lukewarm milk. And then butter is used for greasing the maida. Take a bowl and first add milk in it. After adding milk, add yeast and then add 1 tablespoon of sugar in it. Now close this thing for at least 5 minutes so that the yeast get activated. Now it's been 5 minutes that my yeast is resting in warm milk. Now you can check the consistency of the yeast. And now in this add salt, sugar and baking soda and baking powder in it. And mix it with the hands. After mixing this, now add 5 glasses of maida in it. We have added 5 glasses of maida in it. Now mix it like a tight dough. After mixing this dough with milk, then add water to it if required. This dough should be not too much tight, not too much loose. Now you can see the consistency of the dough. It is not too tight, it is not too loose. Now at this stage we are going to grease it with butter. From all these sides we have to grease it with butter. Now leave this mixture by covering it with a lid for 1 hour. It's been 1 hour. Our dough has been resting. Now let's take the dough. You can see our dough has raised perfectly. Now mix the dough once again. Now again rest the dough for another half an hour. It's been half an hour. Our bread is resting. Let's check the bread now. You can see it has raised perfectly. Now take required amount of dough and give it a perfect shape and put it aside. Make remaining dough also like this into a bowl and put it aside in the bowl. Take a baking tray. This is my baking tray. Grease the bottom layer with butter. And sides also roughly. Grease it with butter and put these dough balls in it. Now let's put this in the oven and bake it. The people who don't have oven can bake it on a kadai. Take a kadai like this and heat it for 5 minutes on a low flame by closing it with a lid. After heating this kadai for 5 minutes, open this and use a stand like this and keep it inside, and then keep this baking tray in this kadai and close it with a lid and cook it for 30 minutes until the dough becomes bread. This process should be done on a low flame, and make sure that in between your bottom layer of the bread should not get burnt.
Hi everyone, please watch this video and subscribe and share it.